Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today is another amazing episode of Free Friday, and today we're talking about free textures and reference materials that you can get for your project. And these free textures and reference materials are a lot, and I would just basically advise you to go through to the site. Link is going to be in the description, and you'll be able to find these things for yourself. And they all range from 2K to 10K to 28K, massive file sizes and massive details that you can use for anything that you want. So if you go over to the Gumroad, and this is made possible by an artist that's based in London known as Jacek Pilarski. And so if you come through to the Gumroad, you can find some that are paid, very premium stuff that you can use, and you can find the free versions. It's going to be very easy if you can go through to the website. So the website here is the locationtextures.com, and you can filter these things and get the best quality ones that you want. If you want the free versions, you can always use the filter here and filter these things from low to high and find the premium versions that you can use. These things can come in very handy. Following the fact that he has amazing panoramas that scale all the way to 17K, and it simply means that you can use this thing for almost anything that you want, for your big budget movies, for your small private project, and for commercial works as well. Coming over to the part where he talks about the photo packs, you can also get photo packs that has to do with London, trees, and these are reference and ready to use panoramas. So just in case you want to use these things for your HDRI lighting, you want to use them for your reference materials, or let's say you just want to put them in the background and let them do their work there, you can come through and even pay as low as $2 to get some other premium things. So I would like you guys to go over and pay some respect to this guy and maybe show some love to him. Download these things, use them for your projects, and tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. And if you want to see more Free Friday stuffs, there is a lot of them in the channel. I will advise you to go through, check them out, and you might get a tin or two and use it for yourself. And if you like this video, simply give it a like, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you're new here, it's going to be awesome if you can just hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification. And don't forget to keep an eye on the notification, as we'll be doing a giveaway this month. And until I see you guys next time with the tutorial, tips and tricks, Free Friday stuff, things like this, peace.